they're going to see bird vet. And they're going to be taken to a page so they're instantly confirmed that what they saw in that ad, you actually do. They don't have to say, well, maybe they do it, maybe they don't. I'll have to call and find out if they really do this. Because every question people raise in their minds when they go to your page, the people are going to call down. And if you cut it enough, you make no money after all your expenses are concerned, and you're wasting your time. You're working for free, baby. With that said, though, the key thing is, because your competition's too lazy to do this or too arrogant to do it, you're going to get an even better result setting things up in a quality way than your competition. And your lead cost is going to be literally like $6 a lead on this if you do it the way that I'm saying, with a 70% booking rate.